This warm-up is very extensive. You probably don't need to warm up this much before every practice, but you can pick different exercises every time, and that way it doesn't become so monotonous. To start, we will do circles with our head to warm up the neck muscles. Now, grab a towel, hold it with both hands and bring it up and behind you. Do that 10 times. Then, do circles with a towel, 10 on each direction. To continue warming up the shoulders and back muscles, lay face down and lift your arms up in a Superman position. Then, extend your arms to form a Y position and do the same. Then, to the side and lift them up and down again. Then put them next to your hips and do the same. Now, do as if you were doing snow angels, but face down and without the hands touching the floor. Do each movement 10 times. To warm up the scapular muscles, to maintain your shoulder in place, do this. Keep one hand on the floor, and with your knees on the floor too, move your torso up and down using the muscles surrounding the shoulder blade. Do that 10 times for each arm. Oh, and please ignore that giant bird. It just wanted to say hi and swim a little bit. Now, we will do this movement to warm up and stretch dynamically many muscles. Put a foot on the floor and a hand besides it. You can put the other knee on the floor to stretch the hip flexor. Then, extend the other arm to the sky and bring it back down. Do that 10 times on each side. To warm up the core from all sides, get on a push-up position and touch one shoulder with the opposite hand for a second and alternate. Make sure to tighten your entire core for stability. Then stand up and move your torso side to side. We will warm up the hip flexors and abductors with these two movements. You can hold on to something for stability. Kick back and forth 10 times with each leg. Then do it side to side. To warm up and stretch the glutes, grab your knees alternating each leg. To warm up the legs and knees, do 5 to 10 squats, 5 to 10 lunges, and 5 to 10 side squats. Finally, to feel like a true swimmer, do arm circles forwards and backwards. And now you are ready for any swim practice. If you want to watch one of our free swim workouts, click on this playlist and choose the stroke that you want to swim. See you there, swim fast!